So as I was saying, the car was picked up before 6 p.m. It's obvious. It's on tape at the building. The building will verify that. Cool. Okay, so I call at 5:36.
You're talking about minutes after and minutes before. It's almost the same time.
But it's not the same. 6 p.m. is not the time. You're talking about 6 p.m. because 6 p.m.
I give you the receipt.
All right, but I want you to explain. I want you to explain while I'm on tape.
Right.
Why am I paying extra money?
I gotta go.
So you're not giving me my car, sir?
If you relax and talk nicely, that's fine.
Okay,
you want to
sir.
pay it? That's it.
Yeah, I want to pay. I'm
gonna run out of my office and come back tomorrow with your lawyer, if you want it.
So you're not giving me.
I'm helping you,
sir. I just want my.
And you're screaming at me.
Sir, you're paying. I'm charging extra money.
Give me the credit card, make the payment. I open the door for you and take your car out of here.
Okay, thank you.
That's it.
Here, thank you. Here,
Stop talking to me.
Okay, whatever. No problem. You're
what the hell is going on?
Okay, we're gonna find out. Just please, I just want my car, man. Yes. Is your pops?
Huh?
Is your pops?
No, they're not my pop, but why?
Yeah. No, I was just wondering.
Because I said papa?
Yeah. Yeah.
Come on, please, sir. Put the credit card information.
What's today?
Today is the 11th. Also, the machine is going to charge 3.5 for the transaction.
I need to put the card number on here?
Yeah, everything.
Let me see the card.
Yeah, give me 1 second.
So just to recap, the charges are what exactly?
400 even, sir.
400 for what? Can you break down the fees for me?
200 the toll, $50 the dollars.
$50 for what?
Dollies.
Oh, 50 for the
We
dollar.
put it in wheels.
Okay.
So now damage your car.
Okay.
All right, and then 2 days storage 100.
And 2 days storage, even though you picked it up yesterday before 5 o'clock.
Sir, 2 days storage $100. That's it.
But you picked it up yesterday. Today's the 11th. That's all I'm saying.
2 days storage.
Sir, I'm just, you picked it up. You picked it up.
You're still saying the same thing and
explaining.
explaining to you. You want me explaining how many times?
Yeah, just explain it. What's the
I
2 days
did that
storage
already.
for?
How many times you want me explain it, sir?
I'm just asking you to explain. What is the 2 day storage?
Listen, one before 12 yesterday, one after 12 night.
Okay, cool.
By load.
Okay, and now what's up for $50 for?
This is after hour because it's Sunday. That's it. That's the break.
This is Sunday because we don't release on Sunday.
You have the breakdown. You could get the receipt and go send it to court because you got your rights.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.